Visual Paradigm Animated Explainer comes with wide range of background music selection for user. When editing your video, press the Add Background Music button in Video Timeline to bring up the list of bundled background music. The background music are organized into different genres and moods. Press the play button will let you preview the music. Press the plus button next to the play button to add it to the timeline. You can adjust the volume of the music, as well as the fade in and fade out duration if needed. Press preview button can let you preview the video with your selected background music.
Financial Management Guide. A valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and take control of their finances.